In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of the active cell in Microsoft Excel. We'll start in Excel for the web, then I'll show options in the desktop app. If you're working in the browser version of Excel, open your workbook and head to the ribbon at the top. Switch to the View tab. Here, look for a feature called Focus Cell. Turn this on to make your current selection easier to see on the sheet. Right next to it, you'll find Focus Cell Color. Click that and choose the color you want for the active cell highlight. As soon as you pick a color, Excel updates the outline and emphasis around the cell you're working in. This doesn't change your data or the actual fill of the cell. It's simply a visual aid while you navigate. If the color doesn't stand out enough against your theme, come back to Focus Cell Color and try a darker or higher contrast option until it's comfortable for your eyes. Now let's switch to the Excel desktop app. If you want a specific cell to appear with a background color, click to select that cell. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the font group, click the fill color icon, which looks like a paint bucket, and pick your color. This applies a permanent fill to the cell, so it will stay colored even when the cell isn't active. If you ever need to remove it, return to the same paint bucket and choose no fill. If you prefer a rule-based approach, you can use conditional formatting to color cells automatically. First, select the range you want to affect. Still on the Home tab, open Conditional Formatting and choose New Rule. In the rule types, select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Enter a formula that evaluates to true for the cells you want highlighted, then click Format and pick your fill color. For example, you might base it on a value, a date, or a match to a specific condition. When you confirm the rule, Excel applies the color only where the condition is met and updates it dynamically as your data changes. This is great for calling attention to inputs, thresholds, or items that need review without manually applying fills. To recap, in Excel for the web, use View, then Focus Cell and Focus Cell Color for a clean, temporary highlight of the active cell. In the desktop app, use the Fill Color button for a direct lasting background or build a conditional formatting rule for smart automatic coloring.